got this stitched on, the Camaro SS logo right there. Here's the central control unit, or whatever it's called. It's the LED glow. Red, green, blue, yellow, purple. Coaching here today, and today I'm back in the Camaro SS after getting the muffler resonator delete and the factory tips chopped off with the resonators on them. So yeah, we up on this highway. Woo! Them pipes are going today, guys. Them pipes are louder than ever on these streets. Louder than ever. But yeah, we head to the detail shop today, and I got installing some LED lights in the Camaro. So it's gonna have a inside lighting, so I'm gonna show you guys that, how it looks and stuff like that. So the kit came in, and we gonna get it put in. So yeah, guys, y'all let me know what y'all are doing on this fabulous day. Y'all chasing those goals, those dreams? What are you doing? Are you working as hard as you can work? Are you staying positive, staying motivated, staying away from them naysayers, staying away from them haters? You know what I mean? That's so important. That's the main thing. Stay away from those that don't want to see you prosper, guys. So, and you know, I had to learn that the hard way at a young age. But we doing it today. We in this SS, and we just going. Oh man, I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard them pipes, guys. Get on my Frontier Motors hat today. That's the detail place I work for right there. So look, there you go. Hey, if you're ever in Texas, swing by and see me. We got a lot of cars for sale, guys. We got a lot of sport cars. A lot of sport cars. All right, we also got Toyotas and Hondas, SUVs, whatever you're interested in. But yeah, guys, super excited today to get this LED installed and just see more features of the Camaro SS. So far we've done the muffler, resonator delete, and then the tips. I gotta buy some new tips, and then we plan to lights and cold air intake is what's next. So I'm super excited for that. And then anyone in the comment section, let me know what kind of mods are good for an SS, like the tune, should I change out my spark plugs, coil packs? Y'all think I don't know anything about cars on the internet? I know a lot about cars, guys. So I've been working, I used to have a Fiesta 4-cylinder. I modded that thing out all the way. I put on a tune on it, new spark plugs. It was straight piped, just cold air intake. I did lots of that little 4-cylinder. So imagine what I could do if you do a V8. You know what I mean? So yeah, y'all let me know, all car enthusiasts. I'm calling out all car enthusiasts on the internet right now. Let me know in the comment section what I should do to my Camaro. We'll hear some pops. Hold on. Hold on. Here one comes. Guys, them pipes are crazy out here. Crazy. And you notice I got on the little blue jacket today to match the blue seats. We got the blue leather seats up in here, guys. 4 of them, guys. So yeah. And then also look, I've got this stitched on, the Camaro SS logo right there. So it looks absolutely phenomenal from right here, guys. Camaro SS, which I mean super sport, not super slow. Y'all on the internet be saying, oh, that's for super slow. Super sport, guys. Right, guys, what is going on? About to get started on this LED system, but first I got to mix me up some of this spicy fruits right here, guys. This stuff is amazing in the day. I mean, if you don't get enough daily servings of fruits and vegetables, you definitely want to be on this. So I'm gonna do 2 scoops of this. Go ahead and pinch it. And I don't care if it spills on the Camaro, because guess what? I got the detail shop right around the corner, so I'll just be cleaning myself. So you do 2 scoops, like I said today, and look, you want to glance at it when you scoop it. Look at that red. Look at that red. Look at that red. All right. Oh, stop spilling it on your car. All the detail specialists in the comment section, stop spilling it on your car. What are you doing? Hey, I'm making me some of the healthiest fruits on the planet right now. So yeah, make sure you go to hyphylife.com. You order yours today and use code NAQ. Don't be using nobody else's code, guys. Yeah, Hyphy Fruits. This stuff is bomb. How does Big Boy say it? Bomb. Alright, so we're gonna mix it up. Like this. Shake it up. And just look at it mix in the sunlight. Look. Look. The fruits match the hat, or does the hat match the fruits? You guys tell me. Slam this down real quick. Well, actually, I'm gonna sip on this all day today. Ain't nothing better, guys. So yeah, we're about to get this car washed, and then we're going to get these LED lights installed, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, we got this LED installed. I'm going to show you guys right up under this seat right here. And ooh, what's this? This is, guys, apple cider vinegar. Healthy supplement right there, guys. That's healthy. Right up under there. I put the LED strip right here. This is number 1. It goes right there. Then the second one is going to be right here under the passenger floorboard. But for some reason, only 3. Those 3 are not on. I don't know why. I think it's maybe the switch or something. But yeah, those 3 right there. And then, so it's just 1 strip all the way across under the floorboard. Of course, check out the SS mat, guys. Hey, if you have an SS, you gotta have this mat right here, guys. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Then, of course, coming up here, the Camaro SS emblem up here. Freaking clean, guys. All right, and then up under the driver's seat, there's the LED bar right there. The wiring is right there. I tucked it up under the seat right there. And then there's gonna be another one right here, right along this side, just like that. And then here is the central control unit, or whatever it's called. It's the LED glow. So from here, you could do it from the sound, and it makes it flash like that. Let me show you. Ooh, don't get them in my car if you got a seizure. And then you can go up and down, turn it off, turn it on, do a few different modes right here. So I'm gonna leave it on red right now. And it has a little pad that it sticks back on. Boom. Just like that. So yeah, we're gonna bump some music. Maybe wait till it gets a little bit darker tonight. Kit is installed. I am excited, guys. So hey, tonight, later on this afternoon, when it gets a little darker out here, I'm gonna show you some crazy how it looks. But let me show you guys real quick how it looks up in here. Ooh, y'all hear that pop? How many of y'all's cars pop like that in the morning when you start it, alright? So yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this. Hold on. Trying to find the buttons to push. So look, we got red right there. Ooh, that's that seizure mode, guys. You got a seizure? Look at that SS mat just lighting up. Do red again. Red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue. So cool, guys. Okay, now we're gonna do party mode. So this goes to the beat of the music, or like, I guess if somebody's talking or something. And then that's off. Let's see. Blue. Okay, so you can mix the colors too right here on the controller. And it has a little volume button. Oh, I guess that's the brightness. So when you turn it up like this, it turns the brightness, and then when you do that, it turns it down. But yeah, guys, this thing is super cool. I really like it. It's off, so if you just want to turn it off, you can, and then boom. So yeah, that's how it looks. There's a button there, a button there. We're gonna try out this button right here. Ooh, oh, look at that, flashy. I like it like that, flashy. I like it like that. Look, boom, boom. We're gonna leave it on that mode for now. Ooh, I got on the hat. Party City out here, guys. But yeah, this LED kit, I've always wanted to get an LED on the inside of my car, but next plan I have to get a underglow, guys, for nighttime. That'll be sick. Get some in the rims, get some under the car. That'll be crazy, guys. So hey, I really want to get that. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section what is a good company to go with for underglow, because I know with like inside lights you can go a little cheaper, but the outdoor lights not as much, because they're going to be exposed to the elements like rain, you know, brake dust, you know, stuff on the road, stuff like that. So I want really good brand that's not like crazy pricey, guys. So hey, y'all let me know on that. But yeah, we're just gonna vibe out here today, and then tonight try to get some footage for you guys. And I don't know what else I got planned today, but yeah, guys, y'all stay motivated, y'all stay happy, y'all keep chasing all of those goals, every single one of them dreams, and just make it happen, guys. So yeah, I'm in an SS now. You know, last year this time I was in an RS, so from an RS to an SS in 1 year, I think that's some progress. So hey, peace out, guys. You have a good rest of y'all's day. Maybe I'll catch y'all later. If not, this is the end of the video. Peace.